5 AI side hustles making people rich in 2025. 2025 is the year of AI-powered money. You have probably seen people making crazy income online. What you may not know is that many are using free AI tools. No coding, no experience, no excuses. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI side hustles that regular people are using to earn money online every day. You need to starting today. Hey, this is NorBipole TV, and on this channel, I help you make smart money using tools and strategies that work. If you're ready to start earning with AI, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive in. Side Hustle 1, AI T-shirt design. You don't need to know Photoshop or be a designer. Tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI let you create amazing graphics using just text prompts. Then use Canva to format your design for T-shirts. Once you have your designs, upload them to sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, or Etsy. These platforms handle printing, shipping, and customer service, and you get paid a commission. Some people are making $100 to $500 a month passively with this. Just focus on niche designs, funny job quotes, hobbies, or trending memes. Side Hustle 2, AI content writing. Many businesses and creators need help with blogs, email newsletters, YouTube scripts, and you can offer this using ChatGPT. Here's the best part: you don't need to be a pro writer. Tools like Grammarly or Quillbot will clean up your content. You can sell your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or pitch directly to small businesses. Start with $30 to $50 per project. Or offer blog packages and scale up. Side Hustle 3, AI voiceovers. Next is AI voiceover work. Tools like 11 Labs, Move.ai, or Play.ht can generate realistic voices from text, perfect for YouTube, ads, or audiobooks. You can sell voiceovers on Fiverr or dub videos for clients. There's also demand in TikTok content and podcast narration. Start by offering short clips for $10 to $25 and grow from there. Side Hustle 4, Faceless YouTube channel. What if you want to earn on YouTube, but don't want to show your face? Try a faceless YouTube channel powered by AI. Here's how it works. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Pictory or InVideo to create video visuals. Then use Canva to make thumbnails. Niches like motivation, tech facts, or storytelling are hot. Monetize with AdSense and affiliate links. Side Hustle 5, AI resume writing. Last one, AI-powered resume services. Many job seekers struggle to write great resumes, and you can help them using ChatGPT. Offer personalized resumes, cover letters, and even LinkedIn profile rewrites. You can start for free, then scale using Notion templates or sell digital downloads on Gumroad. Target college students, unemployed professionals, or immigrants groups that actively need this. These 5 side hustles are proof that AI isn't replacing jobs, it's creating new ones. You don't need to code, invest thousands, or wait. Just pick one and get started today. Comment below which one you're going to try, and if you want more tutorials, subscribe and join the journey. AI is the future and the money is waiting. This is NorBipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.